Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to discuss how to apply an airport entry visa for Burundi, which can be used as a tourist visa too. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you I have opened this migration Burundi website. Here you see there is a link for airport entry visa. So this is the page that opens. Now first of all, what this is. So this visa allows a foreign citizen to enter and stay in Burundi for a period of 1 month only, and it's valid for one entry. It is obtained online at international and at an embassy level. So of course we can apply online, right? So that's what we are gonna watch this video for. But before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So category, this is available for 1 month only. Type of accommodation, where you are gonna stay. Let's say hotel. Do it as per your own case. Wow, they have listed all the hotels too. Do they have something like other? I don't know. Let me see. It's alphabetic, so nothing to worry. I don't see other here at the end. No. But anyway, I'll select one. Now your name. Let's so do it as per your own case. I'm doing just sample. Oh, then they have asked for first name. So let's check in the French because this name has a confusion, right? Name, first name. Let me go to French. We'll just come back over there. So first name, last name. Okay, so this is first name, last name. All right, prenom, first name, last name. This is what I was confirming. We can switch back to English. Name. So I'll put. Do it as per your own case, guys, and it should match with your passport. Gender as per your case. Country. Do it as per your own case. Telephone with country code. Yeah. So it's already selected. Put your phone number. Oh. Job title. Do it as per your own case, guys. Let's say same place. Put your email address, whatever it is. Don't do like this. Do it a real one. Confirm. Can I copy paste? Let me see. Date of birth. Do it as per your own case. Just sample, guys. Place of birth, city. This should definitely match with your passport. Nationality. Document type. I select ordinary passport. Most of us will have. Passport number. Make sure it matches. Place of issue, date of issue, and expiry. Purpose of stay. I select tourism. Airline company. Wow, these are the airlines that operate there. Select date of arrival. Let's say you're arriving on this day. So you have to upload your passport picture and passport photocopy, and then you have to send application. Okay, and then in the next screen you will be paying the fee, and once that happens and then it gets processed, then you are all good to travel. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and subscribe to